Once you're all set up with DCRDEX and your wallets are populated with coins, the bulk of what comes next is on the markets page. Just a quick reminder for all those new to DCRDEX, there's two things you have to remember. Firstly, back up your Decrediton wallet and your seed for DCRDEX before starting to use both. If you don't, you could be at risk of losing all of your coins. Backup, check and store in a safe place will save you from problems further down the line. The second point is whilst trading with DCRDEX, remember the DCRDEX window must be open until the trade is fully settled. Let's explore the market page interface. Top left are the markets and the pairs. For this example, we'll stick with the DCR-BTC pair as it has the most liquidity. Next to this, we have the depth chart, which shows all of the orders stacked on top of each other. This shows the quantity you can buy or sell at a certain price point. For instance, the closer you get to the spread bar, the lower the volume of orders. The spread bar is placed dead center from the closest buy and sell orders. The spread percentage gives you an indicator of how close together the nearest orders are. It's not uncommon for this to be between 0.5% and 3%, but obviously the closer these orders are, the more active the market will be. This chart can also be changed to a candlestick chart, which shows how the market has been performing. Each bar demonstrates the movement of the market over a period of time. For example, if we set up a time frame of 24 hours, each candlestick represents one 24-hour period. The candlestick shows the lows, highs and averages for that period. Next, we have the grey bar, which represents the order area. Left is the buy orders and right are the sell orders. In the middle, we can change how we want to process our trades. A limit order lets you choose the price you want to buy or sell your coins at. The market order buys and sells the closest orders in the list until the trade is filled. Clicking on the limit order button, we get a panel for our trade. A similar panel can be found if we click on the market order button. The first thing we have to decide is whether we want to buy or sell DCR. For this example, we're going to buy DCR. After clicking on the buy DCR button, we can set up our trade. When buying DCR, we're looking for the lowest best price. If we look to the left under the buy orders, we see everyone else that's trying to buy DCR. You can decide to go higher, lower or the same. If you click on any of these orders, the price box gets auto-filled, adding your bid to that price point. In the depth chart, there's a dotted green line showing where your order will be placed. If you'd like to, you can also add a value here. As a quick note, the closer you are to the spread line, the quicker your order will get filled. In the past, I've entered a value that's the same as the spread amount and it got filled almost instantly. You can also check these values on DCR Data's market page to see what bids look like on other exchanges. It's interesting to note that some participants will fill your order and place them directly on another exchange if the arbitrage opportunity is big enough. It makes complete sense to check this data before you place your order. Once we've entered our price, we then need to enter a lot size 1, 2, 3, etc. Under the lot box, it tells you how much BTC you'll need to fill the order. Remember, you need a little more for the on-chain mining fees. I tend to keep a balance of 0.0008 BTC and 0.1 DCR to cover this. The next question you should have is what are lots? For example, if you want to buy 80 DCR, it will fill 40 DCR from the first buy order and 40 DCR from the next order in the list. DCRDEX simplifies the buying and selling process by having lot sizes. Currently, one lot equals 40 DCR. Whether you're buying or selling, the order must contain a full lot. For example, I want to buy 40 DCR for 0.0013 BTC each. In order to fill one lot, I require 0.0013 times 40, which equals 0.052 BTC. If I want more than 40 DCR, I would need to fill another lot. For this order, I would need 0.104 BTC for 80 DCR. This system helps prevent mismatches and makes it easier for orders on both sides of the trade to be filled. After this, press the Place Order to Buy DCR button to register your trade on the order book. On the next page, you'll be asked to confirm your order. Check this carefully. Then enter your password and hit the Buy DCR button. Don't worry too much about the box below at this point, as the defaults are adequate for now. Hopefully that gives you some insight into the DCRDEX trading process. We'll do more on the markets page in the future, but I think the next step is to complete a trade and show you guys the process in action. We'll do this in the next video. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to show your support, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time.